Today, we are going to talk about how to claim Litecoin without any investment, and also you can claim this wherever you are on the planet. Please be sure to like and comment, for it helps motivate me to do more videos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you. Without much talking, 1. Let's head to faucetpay.io and copy our Tron address. If you don't have one, I will put link in description below. You can click on deposit to see your addresses, or click on linked addresses if you have already linked an address to your account. Check out my previous video if you don't know how to link your address. After copying the address, let's go and check our account balance to be sure of the amount of coins we have. Okay, that's about 491 Satoshi in the account. Now let's head to the site, rockfaucet.com. After you sign up, your account should look like these, except I have claimed about 12,000 coins already. Click on the arrow on the top left corner, and click on Faucet from the drop-down menu. You can also roll Faucet to double your earnings. Click on the I am human to show you are not a robot, and click on Claim. After reaching the minimum withdrawal amount, click on the arrow in the top left corner, and click on Withdraw. Then select the coin you would like to withdraw. Fill in the amount of coins for withdrawal, and paste the address we copied in the beginning. You can claim as much as you can by visiting short links, completing tasks, and completing offer walls to increase your income. You can also click on the Achievement tab to claim bonuses. After withdrawal, I head to faucetpay.io and check out our new account balance. As you can see, we now have 555 Satoshi in our wallet. You can continue to claim using this method and withdraw as much as you can without any investment. Now to withdraw our earnings to our Coinbase or Trust wallet, click on Withdraw and fill in the necessary spaces, and click on Withdraw. Woohoo! So simple and easy. If you have watched up to this stage, give a thumbs up to the video, and thanks for watching these far. I will see you in the next one. Bye.